Identify and find equivalent expressions. Number 3, ask us to drag the expression on the right to the correct spot, whether it is equal to the expression on the top. So it's looking for equivalent expressions. The expression we're going to simplify is that on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to algebraically simplify this first here. So we have the 4, and we're going to distribute that to the x, giving us 4x. Then we have the 4 distribute to the -3, that gets us a -12. Then we have a -2 times 5x, that gets us a -10x. -2 times 6, which is -12. Nothing happens to that plus 10, so we bring it down. We're going to start to combine some like terms. You have the 4x, we have the -10x. So together, 4x and -10x gets us a -6x. Then we have our constant term. We have a -12, a -12, and a plus 10. -12 and -12 get you -24. Then -24 plus 10 gets you a -14. All right, so that's how I got the -14 here. So this can be simplified into -6x minus 14. So we're going to look for terms that are equivalent to that. So we already have the -6x minus 14. So that goes there already. Then we have this one, which is if we distribute that negative to both terms, that does get you -6x plus 14. Here we have -6x minus 24 plus 10. This does get you into -24 plus 10 does get you the -14, so that is correct. The -2 times 3x, that gets you -6x, then that is a plus 10. So that is not equivalent. So we put that there. This is -6x plus 10, that is not equivalent. Then let's distribute this over. -2 times 3x, that gets us -6x. -2 times 7, that gets us -14. So that is also equivalent. So we bring that to this side. 14x minus 14, that is not equivalent. And then -6 times 6x, that is -36. So that's not even equivalent. So there you go. Everything in the yes, these are all the equivalent expressions. What's on the no are the ones not in equivalent expressions.